Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. If you have seen these flourless chocolate cookies in some of your favorite bakeries, I have a recipe for you, and the cookies are amazingly delicious. So let's get started. We're going to start by sifting the powdered sugar with the cocoa powder. This helps remove lumps and keeps the final texture light and smooth. I am using a high-quality Dutch cocoa powder. Now we're going to add the egg whites to a clean bowl. We're going to start on low speed and let them froth gently for a couple of minutes. Once they are foamy, gradually increase the speed and beat until firm peaks form. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and I am using a stand mixer, but you can also use a hand mixer. The egg whites should look glossy and hold their shape. Our egg whites are ready, and now I'm going to use the paddle attachment. Then we're going to mix for about 2 minutes until all the ingredients are very well combined. And you can check the product carousel to see some of the things that I'm using in this recipe. This cookie batter looks amazing. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips and the pecans. And you can substitute the pecans for your favorite nuts. Now we're going to scoop the batter into our baking mats, and you will need to leave a lot of space in between each cookie because they spread a lot. And I will be treating these cookies as if they were macarons. And I am going to let them dry at room temperature at least 20 minutes until a nice crust is formed. The cookies are dry. Now it's time to bake these cookies at 325 Fahrenheit degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Wow, it smells amazing! Now I am going to take them out and let them cool down for a few minutes, and then I am going to transfer them to a cooling rack. It's been a long time since I last fell in love with cookies like this. These cookies are amazing. I hope that you can give them a try. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.